This is what we're going to be doing today. We need a spreadsheet that you'll create in your own Drive folder and a script that I'll teach you how to write. And I'll also be sharing it for free through a link in the description. It is a function that allows Google Drive to act as a backend, receiving data from external apps and storing it in a spreadsheet. The first thing we're going to do is create a spreadsheet and give it this name. Now, we're going to use the extensions tool and open app script. We wait for it to load, and it already includes a file called code. Now let's walk through the code step by step so you understand exactly how this automation works. We start by defining the doPost function, which is the special app script entry point used when a web app receives a post request. Inside a try block, we grab the active spreadsheet and the active sheet because this is where we'll be inserting data. Next, we parse the JSON body contained in the incoming post request. AppScript gives us this data through e.postdata.contents, so we simply wrap it with json.parse. After parsing, we immediately add a timestamp field, assigning new date, so every entry includes the exact moment it was received. Once we have our data object ready, we check whether the sheet is empty by asking if the last column is 0. If the sheet has no headers yet, we extract all keys from the first incoming JSON and write them as the header row. This helps the sheet automatically adapt to whatever data the external system sends. After handling headers, we read the existing header row so the script knows the exact order of columns in the sheet. This is important. Rather than inserting the object directly, we map the header list to a new row, pulling the corresponding value from the JSON object or leaving an empty string if a field is missing. This ensures every post request is aligned with the current header structure, even when different requests contain different fields. Once the row is built, we call sheet.appendRow to add the new record. We log a confirmation message, so debugging is easier when checking the execution logs. Finally, we return a simple text response saying OK, which tells the calling system that everything worked. In case anything goes wrong, the catch block logs the error and returns it as JSON. This structure makes the script resilient, clear to debug, and easy to extend. Next, let's deploy our application. For this, we'll go to the Deploy tab and create a new deployment. We'll select the type as a web application and give access to anyone with the link to use this application. We'll press Deploy, and it will ask us to authorize the necessary access for the application to work. Since Google doesn't know who's creating it, it will ask us several times, and we need to authorize it first. We authorize access. And it will ask us to sign in with our account. Once this screen appears, we need to go to the Advanced section and access the project, here at the bottom. Once we do all of this, it will allow us to press this button to enable the application. And that's it. By sending a post request from any front-end application to this link, the data will be permanently recorded in the spreadsheet. If you're not sure how to handle the front-end part, I'll be uploading a video about it in the coming days, so make sure to subscribe. Any file will be saved in the same folder where the spreadsheet is located. You can start using it now. I'll leave a link in the description where you can download the code for free. If you'd like to support the channel, you can do so by subscribing and leaving a comment. It really helps me out a lot. If you have any suggestions for changes or run into issues with how the app works, let me know down in the comments. This is just a very basic app, and there are lots of ways it could be improved. For example, setting it up to send emails automatically or adding a display for other users. If you'd like me to make another video going deeper into those features, just leave a comment and I'll be happy to do it.